Question 14, part A. We have to use a ruler and compass to bisect this angle here at A. Now, I don't have a compass, so I'm going to use these pens. Can you pretend that this is a compass? So here's the spiky bit and there's the pencil. What you do is set the compass at an arbitrary distance. By arbitrary, I mean just some distance, okay? Something like that is good. Stick the spike in at A and draw an arc that cuts through both lines, like that. Okay? So what you've done there is create 2 points here and here that are the same distance from A. Now what you do, you get your compass again. Is it compass? It's probably a pair of compasses actually. I'm just going to call it compass. Set it to an arbitrary distance again. It doesn't have to be the same distance, but keep it the same. I mean, keep it the same from when you go from here to here. It doesn't have to be the same distance as this. So some other distance, okay? That'll do. Stick it in there and draw an arc like that. Then keep it the same distance as it was there for this, that's what I meant, and draw another arc like that. Okay, can you see those? There and there. And that point that you've created is the same distance from both there because of this arc and there because of that arc. So if you draw a line through point A and through that point, it will bisect this angle here. I've done it by hand, so it doesn't look like it's bisecting it, but it's correct. Okay, B, get your compass again. What you have to do is draw the perpendicular from P onto this line here. It's not the perpendicular bisector. A bisector is something that cuts a line in two. The bisector of this line would be about here somewhere. It's just the perpendicular. So, what you do, take your compass, stick the spike in at R, set the length so the pencil lands on P, keep it at that length, stick it in at R and draw an arc, like so. Oops. And then do the same again at Q. Stick the spike of the compass in at Q, set the length to be so the pencil lands on P. This isn't quite long enough, but it's close enough. You get the idea. And then keep the spike in at Q and draw another arc like that. Okay, so you've now got these two arcs. And again, that point there, because it's the same because P is the same distance from R as that point, and Q is the same distance from that point as P is, if you draw a ruler that joins that point to that, it will be a right angle. Once again, it doesn't look like a right angle because I've done it by hand. But if you do it properly, the proper compass and ruler on a piece of paper, it'll be exactly 90 degrees.